Good day, El Paso. Your local junk hauler here, Charlie, aka Dumpster Daddy. Out at the studio right now, Opal and Lamar. I have some tire issues with them. One of the issues that you have when it comes to junk removal, we go to the landfill a lot. At the landfill, there's a lot of nails there. A lot of people dumping construction debris. A lot of people dumping roofing materials. All that type of stuff has nails in it. So one of the hazards that come with the job, nails, baby. So as you can see here, the truck tire has a nail in it. I'm not gonna fool with that one right now, but let me show you the one that we can fix together. All right, so we are at the trailer. This is on Lamar. This tire right here is the one that's been giving me issues. Come in tight. Show you. Down here, he has a little nail in him right there. I can see it. We got this bad boy here. We're gonna take that, try to pull it on out, and then I'll show you the tools that we use to plug that hole so we don't have no issues. Okay, and for all you youngins out there, all you young people out there who are buying cars, your first cars, and your old man might not have told you, one of the first things you need to pick up, or you should pick up when you purchase your first car, get you one of these bad boys here. This will help you come in handy when it comes to changing the tire. Drop down with me, drop down. You find the bolt that lines up nice, and you got four different ones. And you just place it on there till you find the one that fits, and there you go. Second thing is, get you some type of hydraulic jack. This one is called a bottle jack. You don't necessarily have to get this kind, but you need to get you one that's a hydraulic jack that's easy to lift up your car, so that when you put it up underneath here, you don't have to use the ones that come with your vehicle, because those are trash. So that's a helpful hint number one. All right, so yeah, let's get into it real quick. Let me drop down here. I'm gonna use my power tools because your boy done graduated from using that thing. But I'm gonna do one bolt after I show you how I lube up my little threads down there, because I have stripped some, and I think it's because they're exposed and they're dirty. They're not like on the car where they're locked, capped up or whatever. On the trailer they are exposed. So let me show you. Get you down in there. So you see these bad boys. So we're gonna throw a little WD-40 on them. Gonna wipe them off, and we're gonna get this process going. I'm gonna show you how we change a tire, or how we fix a tire, let me say. All right, let's get to it while we still got daylight. Excuse me. Okay. All right, so the first thing I like to do is I take a towel and I go down here and I wipe them off, wipe off the nuts or the threads a little bit. I don't need no issues. All right, now take me a little WD-40 and just hit it a little bit. Hit them with a little bit. That's it. Just hit them all with a little bit. Make a little mess, but who cares? This thing goes into the landfill. So. All right, so we got those boys all lubed up. All right, we got our 4-prong thing here. I don't know what the name of it is, but all I know is it takes the bolts off. So you find the one that fits. That one's a little too loose. I don't like them loosey. That one didn't work. Too small. So there it is. That's the one that works for us right there. So we're going, boom, twist that nut just a little bit like that. Okay. Let me see here. Let me show you. Boom. You see how easy that twist? Woo! Fun times. So we got that all set. We'll go to our little jack over here. Turn that bad boy, make sure it is ready to pump up. Schwarzenegger, I'm gonna pump you up. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, we're gonna jack that bad boy up. All right, so for me, I'm gonna use one of my power tools. This is my impact driver here, the DeWalt. Got me a, what's this, 6 amp hour battery here. And got my little tools here. Gotta find the one that fits it. Nope. Nope. Don't tell me. Where is it at? Nope. There it is. That's the one. That's the one. That'll do it right there. All right. So we got the battery in there. Got him. All right. So the reason why I put the lube on there is because when I used this for the first time, I stripped the thread. So now I always, every time I change the tires, I make sure I lube them up first. So just want to hit it. All right. Right, there it is. All right, see that tire? Ready to come on off. And these bad boys, they don't spin off. The impact driver will take them right on off. That's what we don't want. See that one? Got a little messed up. Gotta be careful. Should just come right on off. Costs money. Strip those things, those threads, they cost money. All right, so let's look at this tire here. As you can see, there's a nail there. There's a nail there. I believe those are the 2 nails up, and there's one right there. So this tire has caught 3 nails, baby. 3 of these bad boys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a new tire on there because I don't feel like digging through it. Well, I'm gonna show you how I changed one of them at least, because I did tell you I was gonna do that. So let me see if we can get this one out. That one looks like it can happen. The other ones are dug down in there. So, all right. So the way we do that, we got handy dandy little pliers here. Just gonna get in there. I don't know if you can see it, but you can get in there. You try to grip it out. But before we do that, let me show you the tools we gonna use to plug it. So we got us some rubber cement. Got the little thing that we're gonna stick in there to clean out the hole. We got what we're gonna use to put some rubber cement on those right there. And we're gonna put this through here, the needle, stick it on down in there. All right, you can pick those tools up at, you know, your auto supply store, Walmart's, AutoZone, O'Reilly's. All right, let me see. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see here. All right. stubborn. It's in there good. Look at that. Issues for my tire. Probably something I did myself too. Probably, you know. Let me make sure it gets thrown in there. All right. So what we do here? We got this stuff. All right. Had to struggle to get it off, but then we're gonna put some of that on here like that. See that? Where that hole at there? Put it down in that hole there. Clean it out. Hey. Right. All right, so you got these pieces right here. You got the rubber cement. Again, all right, I need my hands. I'm gonna take one of these out. Really sticky. All right, thread that bad boy through there. That bad boy through there like so. See that? Hope I'm getting some good footage. Hope I'm getting it. I hope I am, but I know there will be other opportunities. So here we go. I'm gonna take that rubber cement like that. Lube that bad boy on up. Oh yeah, I am very judicial with it. Or I say judicial, very liberal with it. Get it all up on there, get some on the tires, don't matter. All right, you can still hear that air coming through. Listen to it. Okay, here we go. Put it on in there now. Get some good leverage. There it is. All right, moment of truth. Snatch it out real quick. Gotta snatch it out real quick. Boom! You just plugged you a nail in your tire, baby. There it is, like that. Gonna trim that part off. Put that bad boy back on there, but because, let me see here. Let me see, you know, we feeling good. We feeling good. Let me see if we just go ahead and plug all these nails, see if we can't get all these bad boys out of here. Let's do this, just in case we missed it on the other one. Just in case we missed it. Let me tilt you down just a bit. Because we probably missed the first one. So let me go ahead and tilt you down right there like that. All right, so this is another nail. This tire has 3 nails in it. We're gonna pull this one out. We've already tried to snatch, we already snatched and plugged one. Well, I'm feeling good. We're gonna go for this one too. See if I can get some good footage of it. There it is. See that? There it is. Don't sound like no air coming out of that one. We don't want no issues. tire must not have any airlift in it. All right, there it is. All right. Woo! That was a challenge. All right, so we're just gonna repeat that process. Hopefully you can see it. I'll put the rubber cement on the little tool here. Let's get it up in there. Plug it in. All right. Yeah, baby. All right. Grab these little plunger things. Whatever these are called. Let's open that so that'll slide through real quick, real good. Boom, bam, boom. Oh yeah, I probably don't need to do that, but squeeze him back on up. Get your rubber cement right there. Move that bad boy up. Be real liberal with it. Be real liberal. Who cares? It's going on the pavement. Find that hole you got there. Plug that bad boy on up in there. Like so. This one's gonna be a problem, huh? Down in there. All right. Get on in there. Moment of truth. Snatch it out. Boom, we plugged, baby. Plugged again. Woo! Lord have mercy. Where's that other one at? There it is. This tire had it rough. Tire had it real rough. This one's giving me some issues. Nothing to grip on. Nothing to grip on to. There it is. Got it. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Through it all over again. Man, lost the hold there for a minute. Ooh, that was rough. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get out of this. Maybe out of the three, we got one good one. All right, sun is going down quick. Ooh. Where my stuff at? 1, 2. My little plugs. All right, so we're gonna scrap that idea because I was going through that tire right there and I found three more nails. So we're gonna go ahead and just put the spare on. Get that spare taken off, just put that on. Right there. All right, let's get him all situated. Can't see nothing, huh? Let's see. Maybe about right there. Is that good? Right, here's where I've been having issues putting them back on. We're gonna screw them on like that, should just go on nice and easy. No issues. That's what we want to see. Oh. That's what I want to see right there. Somebody got a big ass dog coming over here. Somebody big ass dog is over here. I don't know. He ain't got no collar on, his tail in between his legs. Problem right there. We can't have that. So we're going to switch on over here. See if it'll fit on that one right there. Nope. Alright. Let's see if this one will work. There's no problem right there, baby. Oops. Thank you for calling Dumpster Daddy. This is Charlie.
Hi, Charlie. My name is Kim.
All right, so there we go. This nut is giving me a problem. Let's see if this will work. Looks like it is. There it is. I'll have to remember that one. All right. So there it is. That's how we go about either fixing a nail in the tire or changing the tire. Because we had to change it because that one had like 5 nails in it. So, all right. All right, so there it is. We got it all done, got that all buttoned up. That tire had like 6 nails in it. We pulled 3 of them out. We plugged the 3. So hopefully out of those 3 pieces, or hopefully out of those 3 nails, we got some good footage out of one of them, because we did have some interruption. Some random big dog came out of nowhere. So yeah, so we'll see what we got. We're gonna call it a night. The sun is going down. Dumpster Daddy is gonna call it a night. Boom, Dumpster Daddy out. See you tomorrow.